Boobele boobele bop. Hey there! Today on SoCraftastic, I'm about to be opening my very first Woobles! This is the Woobles Halloween Advent Calendar and a hand spider. For many years, people have been asking me to crochet. One time I did one little tiny heart. I don't think I have a tutorial for it. I did a loom hat with yarn, and I also did a fishtail bracelet with yarn. I'll link those below. But other than that, my knitting, crocheting is non-existent. My talent, my skill, nothing. It's zero, it's -10. I tried doing loomigurumi with rubber bands, and yeah, I can't even do that. So I don't have high hopes for making anything out of this, but I do want to see what's inside, and maybe, possibly later in the month, I can try to make something. At the end, after I unbox everything, let me know in the comment section below which item I should try to make. What was that? I'm trying to catch something apparently. I'm trying to catch the ability to crochet. Without further ado, let's wooble. How do woobles wooble? Do they shimmy, shake, rattle and roll? I don't know. So I ordered this advent calendar a couple months ago as soon as I saw it because I've never woobled before. And I really like creepy things. Creepy cute's cool too. Are we ready? We are in. First, I got this free gift. It is the Wee Woobly Bits tin. I don't know if the characters have names, but it's this white bunny dog. So I guess there are a bunch of collectible tins. There should be one in the advent calendar as well. So we get a Halloween-y themed one too, I think. Ooh, they gave us a good foam that doesn't make the nasty noises. A soft foam instead of a styrofoam. I can see it has a roof. The roof is slit. Here we have the Woobles haunted house box in the shape of a haunted house. No way. All jokes aside, this is really cute and spooky. Oh, it glows in the dark. It says all materials included to make these. So there's a couple question mark ones. Inside, we are going to get 4 full-size Woobles kits, 6 accessory kits, a tin, a collector's hook, and a bag. This is really smooth. Can I take this off without ruining it? It's really cute. Oh, I can. Okay, good. Come on. Oh, look at the details on the back of the house. The front's even cuter. Looks like that. And then I want to zoom in on the details because there's some stone penguins. This ghost window kind of reminds me of a Mario Boo castle. And then there's a little ghosty wooble here. We're gonna break into... It's a little graveyard. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it. There's a graveyard. I'm gonna be opening them all in one night, which feels illegal. What does it say? Cross this threshold and prepare to wooble forever. That's scary. We have some black widows down here. Oh my gosh, look at this. They paid so much attention to detail. You know what? I don't think I've ever opened an advent calendar whatsoever on my channel. It feels weird to be able to open them all on the same day though. Being a YouTuber, I guess I get to break rules. I make my own rules. The time has come to destroy the beauty of this, so I hope I got some good footage, close-ups. Cross this threshold and prepare to wooble forever. I can't grab it though. Everything looks awkward. My arms. Trying to make it look more aesthetic without my gangly arms coming over the top. Okay, ready for real this time. Oh, all of them have, well, I mean, I've only, very bold of me to assume that every single one has something written on the back after pulling out the first one. However, this one does. I'm just gonna bust in. Maybe not too much of a bust because I don't want to break the boxes completely. Oh my gosh. It's Wooble yarn. It's soft. I love how there's caution tape wrapped around this. So there's this white bundly skein. Inside, it looks like a stitch marker. I know a few things, but not much. Oh, multiple stitch markers. I wonder, oh, it's the part that they did. They started it for me. Thank you. I think I will need this. This is glow in the dark, easy peasy yarn. It is a smaller bundle than this. This one's kind of coming apart a little bit, but it still looks good. Then we have the stuffing. It's what's inside that counts. That's so cute. And so true, because you could be the most attractive, ripped person ever, you know, if you're into that sort of thing. But when you act nasty, it doesn't even matter anymore because then you ugly. Thanks. I really like this hook. It is rubbery. Will this be comfortable after a long time? I don't know. This is a 4mm hook. This says Amun. Is that the name of this guy? Then there is this little envelope that has the mummy. It says there's instructions inside. There's a little sticker here. Let's get in. Oh, things are falling out. Oh no. So we have, this is a heavy duty needle. And then 2 safety eyes. So there's the black part and the clear to snap them in. Wait. We have 3 eyes? Is that just in case? I think they gave us a just in case. Make Amun, the mummy. So there's a step-by-step guide. It has a, what are they called? I don't remember. Oh, QR code. And then there's a password. So you have to buy the kit in order to see the video, which is kind of cool. Let me put everything back in and not lose anything. This black yarn is for the mouth. So there's box 1. Number 2, come on down. I seriously can't get this out. It's so tight. No, I don't want that one. We're gonna cheat. That was so stuck. Oh my gosh, there's a chimney ghost. This just keeps getting cooler and cooler. Let me put this back and then struggle to get it out after. Let's try to get through this one a little bit more quickly. Which part do I open? Okay, open the top. Bum-ba-dum. This is tiny toilet paper. Scary things come in teeny tiny packages. Tiny white toilet paper is not so scary, but if it had another color on it. Box number 3, I just turned backwards. I probably should like have this way. On the side of box 3 is a jack-o'-lantern face. I love that. This whole thing looks like a pumpkin. And the top has this little piece that pops out of the paper. And there's a stem. They thought of everything with this kit. You can turn it into a jack-o'-lantern with a stem. How cool is this? Wait. It's green on the wrong side. Woobles. You guys made a little bit of an error. It's okay though, I forgive you. Oh no, that was my fault. Oh, I take that back. There's 2. Oh geez. I've embarrassed myself. It's okay, it's not the first time. There we go, it's now green on both sides. Perfect. Inside this one, we have a tiny bat that glows in the dark. How cute. I don't think he has eyes. That's okay, but he has these 2 tiny white fangs. Number 4 is the one that I should have kept out. This is another roof piece, and on both of the sides here we have these cute critters that look like they're carved in stone. Oh shoot. Try not to break it. Ooh, it's a tote bag. Okay. I want to get this out of here without breaking the box. I don't know if that's possible. I feel like this whole thing's gonna rip. Oh no. Don't. I got it. My patience almost wore out, but I got it. So let's see. Oh, it's so cute. I feel like this is a good size for cat toys. This side says hooked on treats. The bag kind of looks like it's ripping open at the seams here. And we have a bunch of woobly characters peeking through. Also a couple of fanged spiders up here. Ooh, the werewolf. I think he might be my favorite. Maybe. I like bats too. We are on number 5 of 13. It's another big one. It's the biggest one. Oh, it's a coffin. Is it going to be a vampire? Yes. It is. I want to find out what the vampire's name is. Please hold. Meet Agatha. For Agatha, oh my gosh, we have 4 different colors. 5? That's a lot. Ooh, she is styling in her coffin. The inside of her coffin is designer. Look at that, is styling. Agatha is living large. And then Agatha's hook is red and also has this rubbery texture to it. So just as comfortable as the other. Next up, number 6. This is another jack-o'-lantern face. And I'm not gonna embarrass myself with the stem this time because I know that it's green on both sides. So this is another mini kit, a teeny tiny accessory kit, and it is a tiny spider, a glow-in-the-dark tiny spider. And it's black and green with white eyes. This is the halfway point. Dave the werewolf, Agatha the vampire. This must turn into 2 headstones to put into the graveyard. Okay, I can just open it kind of like a box of cards. What is in here? Ooh, this is a special hook. So this one has a bunch of different Woobles on it and caution tape that says keep out and also 2025 the Woobles. So this must be a collector's item and maybe they'll have another one next year. Pretty cool. Number 8 is a fireplace and also a letter and some yarn and spiders. Wait a minute, remember when I thought that the box was broken? It's a little chimney slit. We'll take this out though, just so there's no confusion on how far we are, even though I'm sure you know how to count. So number 9. The beast has fallen, but its curse lingers. Do not touch the bones. So in here, this is another big Wooble kit with black and white yarn, an orange hook. This guy's name is Edgar, some stuffing, and the little envelope that has Meet Edgar inside. Oh, and if you didn't realize, Edgar is a skeleton. We're getting close. Okay, number 10 is another pumpkin. This time it's a horizontal pumpkin. Ready? This is tiny coffin. R.I.P. You know what? I haven't opened any of these mini ones yet on camera. Oh, this is so sticky. So this is how much easy peasy yarn comes in the mini ones, about. I'm sure they don't have all exactly the same amount. There's the white for the RIP, and then this little bit of stuffing and tiny coffin card. Number 11, here's the 2 other headstones. And this one feels heavier than a hook because it's the tin, and that was my guess. This one is the Halloween Woobles tin of 2025, copyright 2025, and it feels like there is something in here. Wait, there's not. It really felt like there was something in here. Okay, well, my bad. So now I have 2 tins, the other one's sitting over on my chair, but I will put some footage of them together. These are the headstones for Amon the mummy and Edgar the skeleton. I can't believe there's only 2 left. This is going by so quick. Oh, it's a ghost. It's so cute. Ah! It's probably my mom. I'll call her back. The final, oh, this one might be my favorite. It's really simple. I had a nose itch. Really simple, but if you are familiar with any of my artwork at all, you may know that I love painting and drawing dripping moons. Well, this is not a dripping moon, but it's a tiny moon, and the color of it is a light bluey turquoise. It just came apart. Oh no. It looked really cute before I pulled it out. This is a really pretty color. Glowing spaghetti. We are now to number 13, which is the final one in this haunted house. As I mentioned at the beginning, I'm not going to try to crochet anything tonight. But if you want me to make another video and test one of these, please vote on the one that should be the winner that you would most want to see me fail at, or hopefully not fail at. I don't feel too confident. Ghost guy, go up here. Let's do it. I'm not ready. I'm not ready to be done. Okay, this is a locked jail cell. It looks like you pop out between the bars and then whatever's in here will be stuck in jail. So this must be the werewolf. There's dark brown, white, black, this really bright kind of cerulean blue, very pretty, and then more of a caramel brown. The stuffing, of course, a Dave hook. So this is Dave the werewolf. This is an interesting color. It's kind of hard to tell if it is marbled with, it's shimmery, like plummy blue. That's cool. Now I'm guessing that the card says, meet Dave, yes. Meet Dave the werewolf. I can't get the card back in. I don't know if you can get this anymore, but if you can, I'll put a link in the description box below. It is over $100. I don't know if it went on sale again or to more of a sale, because I did get it on sale, but I don't know if they always had that and just made it look like it was a better deal. That was the final box to open, but we do have one last thing to do, which is to decorate the house of hauntedness. P.S. I tried to be festive and wear Halloween-y colors and kind of like spider-webby patterns almost. Oh my gosh, I have sleeping cats on my socks. Kind of ruins it. You know what? Cats never ruin anything. I take that back. In case I forget to do an outro! Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed. Please check out my other videos in the description box below if you want to see some other fun stuff, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. Bye! See you in my next video! Now, without further ado, let's wooble! Hey there, today on SoCraftastic, let's get into these spooky woobles. That is all. 10 looks like a pumpkin, and 11 looks like an old book, and 12 looks like a patchwork quilt kind of, and 13 reminds me of the Jason mask, but it's probably a skull.